To use Circle to search on the Pixel 9a, all you have to do is just to click and hold this home button until the screen change a little bit like this. Now you can circle or tap anywhere to search for some specific phrases. So if I want to search, for example, for the Google Play Store icon, I can just tap on it like this. But as you can see, it's gonna actually search for my whole screen. So I can, instead of this one, select text, or if I want to select this specific icon, I have to just repeat, click and hold, and now instead of tapping, I can just circle this icon like so. And now, as you can see, I can even make it a little bit bigger or smaller, that specific frame. And now for sure, you have to also be connected into the Wi-Fi, mobile data, and also you have to log into your Google account to actually use that feature properly. But now you'll get the search results on your browser.